Hi everyone, this is Ryan from Team Life with the tip of the week, and this week's tip is about being prepared for emergencies at our parks and recreation centers. Parks and rec centers are great places that get used for anything from competitive organized sports to just a casual walk. With all the many things going on at our parks and rec centers, it's important that we are prepared for the many kinds of medical emergencies that could occur while people are there. Sudden cardiac arrest occurs suddenly and is the leading cause of death in the United States. So we should ensure that our parks and rec centers not only have AEDs, but that they are easily located by utilizing proper signage so that they can be retrieved and utilized as quickly as possible in the case of an emergency. First aid kits should also be easily located and easily accessible, ideally with or right next to your AEDs. Parks and rec centers typically cover large areas of land, and many places inside them can be difficult to access by first responders, making things like AEDs and first aid kits even more important when time is of the essence. Hope everyone has a great week, and make sure to check back next week for next week's tip.